children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to start a chapter which name is all about books. So use the clues to write down answers in the word grid and then read the shaded letters from top to bottom to get the final answer. So read the first one. Acronym of International Standard Book Number, that is ISBN. Okay. Second, story written by a person about his own life, अपनी life के बारे में जो लिखते हैं, that is autobiography. So number 2 is autobiography. Come to number 3, a story that is usually about animals that has a moral at the end. Last में एक moral, एक शिक्षा होती है और mostly animals के बारे में होती है, that is fable, right? So number 3 is fable. Number 4, a non-real story whose length spans an entire book. पूरी book में एक ही story होती है, non-real होती है, so that is novel. Okay. Number 5, an alphabetical list of names, topics, etc. which tells you on which page of the book they are mentioned. आपकी book में भी होता है ना ये, जहाँ पर आपको पेज नंबर दिया होता है, टॉपिक मेंशन होता है अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में, so that is index. Number 6, an alternative name used by a writer instead of his real name. Real name की जगह जो alternative name use करते हैं writer, उसको क्या कहते हैं? Portuguese काजू. It is originated from Brazil. So the first one is cashew. Right? काजू को क्या कहते हैं? Cashew. Second, this nut can be sweet or bitter and is originally from Iran. Okay, ईरान से है ये, sweet भी होता है, bitter भी हो सकता है. Its oil is used in cosmetic, aromatherapy products and in making marzipan. नाम से ही आपको पता लग रहा है, बादाम, right? So that is almond. Second, almond. Come to the next. Also called groundnut, its edible part is enclosed in a thin shell. It has a high oil content and is used to make butter and in flavoring dishes. So बच्चे groundnut को क्या कहते हैं? That is also called peanut. So PEANUT, peanut, right? Next is, it is native to Turkmenistan and Iran and Afghanistan, and the ripe nut has a split shell which must be removed before eating. एक split shell होता है, ठीक है, जिसको remove किया जाता है इसको खाने से पहले, and this is native to Turkmenistan, Iraq and Afghanistan, that is pista. Okay, so the sixth one is pista, pistachio. Okay. So this is the crossword. Now fact bank, this you have to know. Peanuts were thought so highly by ancient Peruvians that they buried pots of peanuts with their mummified dead to nourish them during their journey to the next life. पहले बच्चे अर्ली पीपल जो थे एंशियंट पेरुवियंस यानी पेरू के जो लोग थे वो ऐसा सोचते थे कि जो मम्मीज़ हैं, ठीक है, जब वो मम्मीज़ को दफनाते थे, डेड बॉडी को रखते थे, तो उसके साथ जो है एक पीनट का बॉट जो है उसको भी बरी करते थे. क्यों बरीड करते थे? उन्हें लगता था कि नेक्स्ट लाइफ की जर्नी के लिए उन्हें भूख लगेगी तो उन्हें न्यूरिशमेंट मिलेगी पीनट से. ओके, सो दिस इज द चैप्टर बच्चे. आई होप आपको समझ आया होगा. एक बार फिर से इसको रीड करेंगे, देन एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस खुद करेंगे.